Hello again, welcome to today's attempt at the connections game, 16 clues, and we have to divide them into 4 connected groups of 4. Now, fake, sucker, and dupe are all to do with tricking somebody. I suppose dummy could be as well, but I'm really not confident to go for that because some of those mean to fool someone, and some of those refer to somebody that's been fooled, so that's interesting. Gracious me, mercy me, dear me, and good heavens, perhaps. Copy me, I suppose, could work, but then the others are all to do with. They're just like exclamations, aren't they? Gracious, mercy, heavens. I think I'm confident enough to try that. It is correct. Phew, they all mean it. My goodness, I was very worried. What next? I mean, a candy and a sweet. Oh, you suck candy, you suck a lolly, you suck a sweet, and you suck a dummy. Or a baby might, anyway. That's got to be a group. Is one away? I mean, there's nothing else that you suck unless a sucker is an American word for a dummy or something that it gets sucked. That's very frustrating because I don't know which one to take out and I'm not certain which one to put in. Why oh why? Leap year. What other words or phrases contain a year? I don't know, we've got quite a lot of Y words in the grid. There's those 3, those 4, and lolly that all have the letter Y in. That probably is a coincidence, but I'll try and bear it in mind. I think maybe I'm just thinking that because one of them literally is the letter Y. Anyway, I don't think that's helped me. You can, I mean, I'm coming back to these. A fake something, dupe someone. But would you be a dupe, just like you would be a sucker, or would you dupe someone and then they would be a sucker? I'm just not convinced. I mean, I suppose a fake and a copy could be similar, but I still don't know what other two that would go with. It's got to be, I mean, lolly, candy, sweet, and dummy. What else can you suck? I guess you have to suck a sucker, but I don't see how that helps. Maybe you don't suck a sweet in America because they would call it candy. But I'm not convinced by that because why else would sweet be in the grid? It doesn't really go with anything else. Sweet corn, yellow corn, perhaps? Again, I don't think. Oh, there's candy corn. Oh, maybe I am onto something. Sweet corn, candy corn. But then there isn't lolly corn or dummy corn, is there? And we know that that group was only one away. So we can't remove sweet and candy. Oh dear. I have no idea what copy, year, yes, or Y, or yellow are going to be connected with, which is a problem. Copycat? That doesn't link to anything else. Copy machine? Y? What else is Y? Dupe, fake. I guess maybe we'll just try these 4. They're just imitations. A copy, a dummy, a dupe, and a fake. I suppose that works. Okay, so then it's definitely got to be these 3 with one of the others. It's got to be sucker. I assume the other 4 are connected with the letter Y somehow, but I'm not convinced. But that seems like the most likely. It is. They're all confections. I've never heard of sucker in that context. What about these four? They are all what Y might mean. So I see how it can mean Y and yes. Yeah, I suppose DDMMYY. And then yellow, maybe. RGY or R. No, it's RGB, isn't it? Red, green, blue colour charts. Oh, yellow comes in there somewhere. That was a tricky one. But I was really close. So arguably I should have got it quicker. I should have just gone for the duping synonyms sooner. Yeah, tricky one. I also mentioned for Y, didn't I? So I should have got that quicker. I don't know. Maybe it wasn't as tricky as I made it look. Either way, I got there in 5. Not quite perfect, but not a disaster. Let me know how you got on with this one. Thank you for watching and bye for now.